In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a transaction in QuickBooks Online. To get started, you'll want to make sure you're comfortably situated in a quiet spot without distractions, as we'll be diving into some crucial steps that will streamline your accounting tasks. First, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. This platform is a powerhouse for managing your business finances, and logging in here is your first step towards taking full control of your accounts. Once you've reached the website, direct your attention to the top right corner. There you will notice a sign in option. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Type in your email and password. These credentials are key to accessing your account, so make sure you have them handy. If you've forgotten them, there are options to reset, but ideally you should have them ready before we begin to keep the process seamless. Once your details are in, hit the sign in button again. Success in this step lands you on the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online, where all your accounting tools are neatly arranged. From here, we'll be focusing on managing customer transactions, an essential feature for keeping your financial records organized. On the main dashboard, locate and select Customers and Leads. This section is fundamental as it contains all your customer records and potential leads, which is where you'll manage the transactions we're about to enter. Following that, click on Customers. This is your complete directory of all customers you've interacted with, past and present. Find the customer's profile for whom you want to add a transaction. Click on their profile to open detailed customer information. This reveals a range of options for managing transactions and other relevant customer details that you'll find helpful. Now that you're in your customer's profile, look for the option titled New Transaction. Clicking this option prepares your path to adding a new financial record associated with this customer. It's time to decide the type of transaction you want to log. For our demonstration, we'll choose Invoice. Invoices are crucial for billing customers and documenting sales, providing both you and your customer with a record of the transaction. After choosing Invoice, the interface will guide you to input the products or services sold. It's important here to provide accurate product or service descriptions, ensuring the customer is clear on what they're being billed for, and this step also helps maintain precise inventory records if relevant. Take your time to fill in the sections about quantity, rate, and descriptions. Precision here ensures proper financial tracking on both ends. The next component is tax. You'll notice the option to add tax. This is significant for complying with local tax regulations. Make sure to include the appropriate tax rate based on your area's requirements. QuickBooks Online also simplifies this task by allowing you to save and automatically apply common tax rates. Finally, after reviewing all the details for accuracy, click Save and Send. This will save the invoice in your system and simultaneously email it to the customer. It not only ensures your records are updated, but also promptly informs your customer of their payment obligations. Confirm they received the invoice, as this prevents any unexpected delays in payment. This concludes our step-by-step guide to adding a transaction in QuickBooks Online. Following these steps carefully will ensure your transactions are accurately recorded, helping you maintain organized and up-to-date financial records with ease. QuickBooks Online is a robust tool, and mastering these processes enhances your business's operational efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials that help you manage your business tasks with ease and proficiency. Keep exploring and mastering more about QuickBooks to make the most of its powerful features.